Hi everybody. This is just a quick montage I'm doing because we want to wrap my painting, and I thought there might be some people that want to see it because once it's gone to my granddaughter. So I finished the box. Here it is. And Jack made a nice little handle and we wrote her name on it. And so this is the box. Whoop, whoop. So she can put whatever she wants in it, and it's finished, and it sort of goes with the frame. So this is a vintage garage sale find frame. I think I showed you when I found it for $5, around $5, and it's handmade in Africa. You can tell for many reasons, but I always thought I'd like to do a giraffe, and of course we had the perfect person for it. So where are these? Look this way. There we go. So it is finished. And so now we can wrap it and send it off. So the orchids are busy growing spikes, and I just turned the misters on because it's been very, very cold and clear, beautiful skies, beautiful weather, no snow on the ground. And so when their furnace is on, it dries up quicker. So I did put the misters on, and I did mist them this morning, and I probably will this afternoon too. Just quickly past them all. So that's it for now. We'll see what I put on here next. Bye. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. 97, you were...
Don't spoil her birthday by
I just got off my treadmill.
You just got off the treadmill. There she is, 97, and early in the morning she just got off her treadmill.
I've been up for a long time. Oh, I got a balloon.
You do, you got three.
Balloon.
And I blew them up.
You did?
You can cut it with scissors if you want. Oh, it's undone. There you go.
You want me to hang that somewhere?
I can put my balloons up.
There you go.
There's always a difficult line to draw when it comes to how we enforce
I got something. Your things are on the washing machine. Your
Okay.
chisel things.
Okay.
And the thing for Stella.
She's been working, yeah.
I'll have a look at that afterwards. Is this a nice puzzle? Is this a nice puzzle?
You want to get in there?
It might be.
Give me this, or I can't support it, or
I was up at 4.
basically the Liberals know there's no appetite for this. Mr. Singh's
And
got to sign off.
I watched a couple of little things there, fell asleep, woke up again. You guys were having your breakfast.
Negotiating right now.
I slept long because I was
I'll hang that by the table for dinner.
I was asleep just after 10:30
Mr. Singh, always a
and
pleasure.
didn't wake up till gone 4.
Thank you.
Plus I'd already had a nap.
I probably forgot to push the button.
That's enough,
Yeah,
Jack.
that's enough. I gotta go find a little bit of Christmas paper for the parcel I have to wrap.
Oh, take the envelope, Carolyn.
Yeah.
It's on the table for Stella.
Okay.
Saturdays happen. Pain happens. Aleve it. Aleve provides fast pain relief that lasts up to 12 hours. When pain happens,
Daddy's looking at you, Jack.
fast acting, long lasting.
There, it's on top of there. It's Stella on it.
Yeah, I'm gonna wrap that next. That's enough. Turn it off. Turn it off.
Turn it off.
I gotta go put it.
Take your own picture. picture, Jack?
No, I don't smoke.
Neither do I. Never have. Goodbye.
Okay, goodbye.
I say goodbye, Maggie.
His Grand Central Station here today.
I brought Jack his box back. He said if I didn't want it, that he wanted
Oh,
it back.
okay.
Look at
okay.
my little pretty flower.
Oh, pretty. Hi.
What's with the filming?
You can take my picture in between the three of them.
Okay, but don't hug or kiss, eh?
Oh, I'd love to
All right,
hug and kiss
no
on.
kissing.
Oh, I'd love to. There.
Okay, very good. I can clip and frame. So that's very good. It's on. So I'm going to turn that. Blowing out the candles.
I'm going to take a big piece. And then I can have half tomorrow. How's that?
That sounds good. Okay, I'm sure. Oh, the phone's ringing. I'm going to get it.